Hello and welcome to another edition of Screencasts Online. My name is Rosemary Orchard, and in today's tip, I'm going to give you a demo of Intercom in iOS 14 and on HomePod and HomePod Mini. Intercom is a brand new feature allowing you to communicate between people in your household and, of course, different rooms and zones. The idea is that you can say the magic words, "Hey Siri," followed by the word Intercom, and then it will send that information to wherever you are. Intercom isn't live, it records what you say and then transmits the message. But the advantage to this is providing you've got a HomePod in your house, it will actually work for everybody in that household. So let's start by taking a look on the iPhone to make sure that we have Intercom set up. First of all, in the Home app, you probably want to check for updates, just to make sure that these have installed on your HomePod or HomePod Mini. To check for updates, open the Home app on your iPhone or iPad and tap the Home button in the top left. Once you're in Home Settings, then you can go ahead and tap Software Update. If you're using an iOS version that's older than 14.3, then you'll see this under the Speakers and TV section. As of iOS 14.3, this is split out to be its own menu point, so tap on Software Update. If you do have any updates to install, like you can see I do here, they will do that right away. Once your update's installed, you should see that it says all accessories are up to date, and that means that you're ready for the next step.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.